If you wander slowly along the canals of Amsterdam, you might discover a peculiar resident among the calm waters and buildings that look like they've stepped out of a painting. On the island of Sporenburg, quietly arched and slightly hidden, stands the Pythonbrug, a structure that seems to have escaped from a dream and landed in the middle of the Dutch urban landscape. The bridge doesn't just connect two shores, it joins imagination with reality, boldness with beauty, and engineering with poetry. Created in 2001 by the architecture firm West 8, the Python Bridge is a unique creation that dazzles anyone who lays eyes on it. Its undulating form, deep vermilion red color, and delicate metal railings resemble the elegant movement of a snake gliding across water without disturbing it. Its shape isn't merely aesthetic, it responds to function. The steep curve was designed for pedestrians only, adding a physical rhythm to the visual one. Cyclists take a separate, flatter bridge nearby, allowing the Pythonbrug to become a meditative space for walkers, a rare moment of verticality in a city defined by flatness. In the daylight, as the sun reflects off its metal surface, the bridge looks like a moving painting. At night, gently illuminated, it transforms into a floating sculpture, radiating warmth amidst the canal's cool nocturnal air. Crossing the Python Bridge is not merely a stroll, it's like gliding along the spine of a mythical creature, arching and breathing with the wind. Its steps, arranged in a subtle curve, invite the walker to slow down, as if the serpent were asking for a moment of attention before carrying them to the other side. From the top, you get a unique perspective of the Sporenburg neighborhood, where modernity coexists with the quiet waters of Amsterdam. Slanted rooftops, bicycles parked by the docks, and the constant flight of gulls compose a scene that seems still, yet never stops moving. In this context, the bridge feels like a bold brushstroke on an impressionist painting. Many photographers and artists consider the bridge a hidden gem. Its vibrant shape and color change dramatically depending on the season, the time of day, and the angle. Some even say that no two photos of the Pythonbrug ever look quite the same. It's a canvas that reinvents itself. Though visually light and elegant, the bridge is an engineering challenge. Built from painted steel designed to withstand Amsterdam's humidity and chill, it may appear to float effortlessly. But its foundations are deeply anchored into the canal's banks, ensuring absolute stability even in the fiercest storms. An urban legend tells of how, during its construction, local residents watched the bridge take shape with skepticism. Could that seemingly fragile structure endure the winds and rains of Amsterdam? The answer came with the first great storm. While trees swayed and waves lashed against the docks, the bridge remained steady, gently rocking, as if adapting like a true serpent to its environment. Its color holds another secret. The bold red hue doesn't only serve to stand out on gray days, it also nods to the Dutch tradition of using vibrant colors to counterbalance overcast skies. The bridge becomes more than infrastructure. It becomes emotion, a stroke of paint on the city's canvas. On sunny days, young people and families gather atop the bridge, watching boats pass slowly beneath its arches, like fish drifting under the still body of a sleeping creature. Some say that from the highest point, if you listen closely, you can hear stories whispered by the wind, tales of sailors and merchants, echoes of an Amsterdam that has always found ways to reinvent itself. Beyond its visual charm, the Python Bridge is a clear demonstration of how architecture and engineering can work together to create more than a simple passage. It is a habitable sculpture, an urban intervention that invites pause, observation, and reflection. The bridge's integration with its surroundings shows a perfect balance between boldness and respect. The Pythonbrug doesn't compete with Amsterdam, it complements it, adding a contemporary brushstroke to a city where the past is always present. With its sinuous form and striking color, the Python Bridge is architectural poetry written across the canals of Amsterdam. It doesn't just link two shores, it connects eras, ideas, and emotions. In a city that masterfully blends history and innovation, this bridge is a reminder that sometimes function can be beautiful, beauty can be useful, and engineering can become poetry. Because when architecture and art come together, they give rise to structures like this one, alive, expressive, and unforgettable.